Today's video, I'm going to show you how to brighten up your shop with no electrical experience. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be using 6 of these 4-foot long LED tube lights. I'll have links down below in the description, as well as anything else that I used in the video. It comes with 6 4-foot long tube lights, self-explanatory, a whole bunch of hardware, and a whole bunch of electrical wiring and stuff. So before I put all these lights up on the ceiling, I want to make sure they are all working so I don't do any unnecessary work. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, this should all be plugged in to each other. Whew. Yeah, that's bright. Yeah, that's bright. That's bright. Now that I confirmed that all the lights are working, I'm gonna go ahead and get the hardware and throw them up on the ceiling. Also, it comes with instructions, but I don't think I'll need these. Okay, so apparently I thought it was more than just one in the packet, but it's just one. So I gotta go buy more or order more before I continue this video. All right, so in this new packet we have double-sided sticky tape, 90-degree connectors and 180-degree connectors, and the cover themselves, and some screws for some reason. So these are not your clip-on covers. You actually slide them off of each other to put your wire in. Kind of weird, but it works. So I picked up this remote control outlet switch. So I plug in my lights to this outlet and I'm able to turn on and off my lights with this little remote. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Kind of dark in here. That's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be the start of a new series where I redo my whole workshop. New cabinets, new miter station, new workbench, painting some walls. Just making this place look nicer for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already and turn on the notifications. See you guys in the next video.